Good evening everyone. This is Harpreet as a maths teacher. Dear students, I hope you all are good and fine and completed the previous one work of class 10th maths as chapter number 12 we started already, areas related to the circle. 12.12 we have completed already. 12.3 we were discussing some question related to the same topic as we have done. Today we will start question number 8 of the exercise 12.3. So let us start it here. Okay students, question number 8 we have given here a racing track whose left and right ends are the semicircular, and then they are saying the distance between the two inner parallel line segment is 60 meters. So this implies this width we have given as a 60 meter. We can say here the inner one semicircular whose diameter we have given as a 60 meter. Okay, so we can write here the inner circular part, this one semicircular part, radius is half of the 60, that is 30 meter. And then they are saying they are each 106 meter long. So this implies this. For example, if I am taking here the length as naming the point A, here is B, here point, this one is a C and D, here is I am taking E point and F, here suppose it is the G point and H point. So A, C, D, D, this one, it makes as a rectangle and whose each length is given 106 into the meter, this one. Inner edge also we can say this much is given 106 meter. Okay, so then they are saying if the track is 10 meter wide, so this implies this widthness we have given, widthness of the track, this one, this much is given 10 meter. This implies outer, if we will take the inner radius as a 30 meter and adding this one widthness as a 10, then outer radius become as a 30 plus 10 is equal to 40 meter. Okay, and then now we have to find out. In the first part they are saying the distance around the track along its inner edge. Inner edge mean to say along this one as E, F semicircular part, then D to C distance and then C to E distance. This we have to find out. So let us start with the solution of the first part here. Firstly, we have to find out the distance along inner edge, which is equal to this one as FD, as a semicircular boundary. So we can say here semicircular into say semi-perimeter, plus then here will be the DC length plus semicircular again CE, there will be again 2 pi r upon 2 and plus then the length is EF. Then this implies here will be the 2 and 2 will be cancel out. So pi r and this one pi r, it makes as a 2 pi r and DC plus EF length which is given to us as a 106 meter. So we can write here the dimensions. 2 pi value they are saying consider as a 22 upon 7. So we are considering like as this, and radius, inner radius, it is 30. So plus 106 plus 106. So it makes as a 44 into 30 upon 7 plus it makes as a 212. So it makes as here 12 and 130 upon 7 plus 212. By taking the LCM of the 7, here will be 14, 7 and 8, then 14. Then now add these two numbers 4, 10 and then here will be 7 and 8, then here is 2 upon 7 into the meter. So this implies this much is the inner edge distance, which is the answer of the question. So let us start now the second part of it. Okay, they are asking to us, okay, now the second part is area of the track. Mean to say this part we have to find out, this area, this shaded area we have to find out. If we will see, we can write here that area of the shaded part if we have to find out, then this implies two parts, these are making as a rectangle whose length is 106 and breadth is, it is given the width as a 10 centimeter, 10 meter. So this implies this is the rectangular area, and this part is the semicircular area. So we can take out the outer area, then we will remove from it as a inner area of the circular. Then now area, here we will write area of track is equal to, it is semicircular area 2 times, one time this one and one time other side. So we can write here the first and second part also. First part area, that is, here is a semicircular, so that's why pi r square minus r square, outer circle minus inner circle upon, it is semicircular, so that's why it is 2 times. Now 2 times, it is area of ABDC and FHGE. So that's why 2 times area of this one. So area of rectangle ABDC plus rectangle as EFHG. Okay, so which is equal to, both are same, so that's why we will write here 2 times. So we can calculate here pi and 2 and 2 cut out, 22 upon 7 r square and r square. I am using the identity here as r square minus r square, as we are using the identity r plus r and r minus r. So that's why 40 plus 30 and 40 minus 30, and plus here will be 2 times, here is a 106 multiplied by 10. Okay, so do the calculation and then we will find out the value of the question. So here will be 70 into 10 plus 2 into 160. So here will be 10. It makes as a 2200 plus it makes as a 212 and 0. So add these one numbers and then we are getting the answer into the meter square, which is the area of the track. Okay, understood everyone? Okay, now let us start one more question. Okay students, I have written the 10th question, in which we have given that the area of equilateral triangle. Here we have given a triangle ABC which is equilateral. Area of triangle ABC, it is already given 17320.5 into centimeter square. Already it is given. Then they are saying with each vertex of the triangle as a center of the circle is drawn, which is with the radius equal to the half of the length of the side of the triangle. Mean to say, this one length, it is the half of the, this is the radius of the circle. So this implies this length is equal to the half of the circle. Mean to say, this part and this part are equal. If we will suppose here x and x, these all radius are equal to each other, half of the length of the side of triangle. Then they are saying find out the shaded area, shaded region area. Shaded part is triangular part, this one. From the triangular, if we will remove each sector area, as already we know that it is the equilateral triangle, so this implies each angle is 60 degree. So all angle will be equal because all radius are also same. Okay, so firstly we will find out what is the radius of the circle to find out the area of the sector. So firstly we will find out that one. As area of equilateral triangle we have given already, which is equal to, we know that area of equilateral triangle as root 3 by 4 into side square. So which is equal to as 17320.5. Root 3 value already into the question they are saying use 1.73205 upon 4 into side square is equal to, you can see easily these two numbers are same but decimal position is different. If we will remove the decimal from the both side, here will be the 10 raised to power 5 into side square is equal to 17320.5 upon 10. Then these two numbers will be cut out each other, and here will be as side square is equal to 10 raised to power 5 into here is 4 upon 10. One more 10 will be cut out, so side square is equal to 4 into 10 raised to power 4. So side is equal to square root of, it is obviously positive we will take because side is always positive, and 4 into 10 raised to power 4. So side becomes as a 2 into 10 square, which is equal to 200. So we can say here the sideways post, which is as a 2x, which become as a, here will be 200 into the centimeter. So we can say here radius of each circle is equal to half of the side, which is equal to 100 into the centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find out the shaded area. Then we will write here shaded area is equal to area of triangle ABC minus 3 times area of a sector. Okay, so this implies here this much value it is given to us, minus 3 times sector area, which is equal to theta upon 360 multiplied by pi r square, which is equal to, you can see here 3 into 60 upon 360. Pi value they are saying use 3.14. So again I am doing like here this one question. We will do the calculation here only. Okay. 17,320.5 minus 3 times, here is the theta value 60 upon 360 into pi value 3.14 into side, each side already we find out that is 100. So 100 multiplied by 100. If we will remove the decimal, here will be denominator 100 and 100 these were cut out. Here will be as 6. This is cut out on the 2 and 2 cut out this one number as a 157. So this implies we have 17320.5 minus 15700. So we left over the answer as 0.5. Here will be 0, 2. Here is 2, 13 minus 7, 6 and 1 into the centimeter square. This much is the answer of the question. Okay. Are you understood the concept, bache? If you have any query related to the 12.3 exercise, again you can ask me into the Zoom session, and I hope you understand the concept. Okay, thank you and have a nice day.